Established in 1951, CYVSA has been building on 60 years of experience in air conditioning installations to position itself as the leader in the Mexican and Caribbean HVAC markets, with a presence in Central America and the U.S. Our values are founded on the quality of our work and service, the teamwork and commitment of our organization, and the honesty and loyalty we show to our customers. CYVSA's corporate headquarters in Mexico City oversee a network of regional offices throughout Mexico, the Caribbean, and South Florida. Each office is ideally positioned to provide service to our clients and their projects. CYVSA's modern corporate headquarters encompass more than 150,000 square feet of construction that includes offices, warehouse storage, and sheet metal manufacturing. These facilities were recognized in 2005 by the Mexican Institute of Intelligent Buildings for its incorporation of fully automated lighting, security, and HVAC controls, as well as numerous green building design features. The sheet metal manufacturing facility produces the majority of ductwork installed in the more than 800 domestic and international projects that CYVSA handles annually. Our semi-automated plant is the largest of its kind in Mexico, incorporating leading-edge technology to optimize production while maintaining CYVSA's market-leading quality. The duct manufacturing process begins with the separation of the sheet metal coils by their respective gauges. The overhead crane then places the roll into the coil line, where the machine cuts the metal into sheets for the duct planks. The cleat roller then bends the edges to create the desired joint connection, whether slip and drive or TDC, depending on the ductwork application. If internal insulation is required, the Insulmatic portion of the coil line takes the duct blank and, with the pin spotter, applies the insulation with glue and nails. At this point, the wrap brake forms the final bends to create a partially assembled product that is then individually labeled for shipping to and assembly at the project site. For duct fittings, the sheet metal blank is placed on an automated Vulcan plasma cutter. The computer program maximizes each sheet to reduce waste while achieving high levels of productivity with cutting rates up to 1,000 inches per minute. When completed, the pieces are insulated if required, and then assembled and labeled for shipment to the job site. Spiral duct is also fabricated in our facility, with diameters ranging from 4 to 80 inches with or without internal insulation. For kitchen and industrial exhaust applications, CYVSA can manufacture welded cold-rolled steel duct. An on-site paint booth applies custom finishes to match any customer specifications. CYVSA produces 5.5 million pounds of sheet metal ductwork and fittings annually. The warehouse is completely stocked with all the necessary materials and equipment, such as fan coils, air handlers, chillers, pumps, controls, piping, and insulation for the installation of a complete HVAC system of any size. CYVSA also relies on its fleet of more than 165 vehicles to service our customers and deliver our products in a timely fashion in the domestic market. CYVSA not only has various regional and international offices, but is also organized into various divisions which target specific segments of the HVAC market. The commercial, tenant, residential, industrial, banking, and building automation divisions are staffed with technically specialized personnel to service these areas. Overseeing these divisions is the executive administration that ensures all company policy and philosophy is strictly adhered to. The company Diseños y Proyectos, DIPRO, has over 24 years of experience in designing climate control systems. With a group of more than 60 professional engineers, a number of whom are LEED AP certified, Each design incorporates the latest techniques to optimize the client's HVAC system. Vipro has designed or participated in some of the most recognizable projects in Mexico, such as the Museum of Fine Arts, Torre Mayor, and the Plaza Carso, to name just a few. New San Luis Potosí Industrial Plant and Distribution Center. With an eye to the future, CYVSA built a 135,000 square foot high-tech industrial complex to host the production of Climaflex mini chillers and an additional sheet metal production line. Located strategically in the center of Mexico in San Luis Potosí, the facility has complete access to all of Mexico, the United States, and shipping ports on both the Gulf of Mexico and Pacific to be both a point for manufacturing and distribution. Together, all these components allow CYVSA to ensure that it maintains a leadership role in the HVAC market, both domestic and abroad. CYVSA, the HVAC leader in Mexico.